Hello, I am Herminso Villarraga Gomez, and I am with Carl Zeiss Industrial Metrology. Let me ask this. Can we use high-resolution 3D X-ray microscopes to obtain highly accurate dimensional measurements? The answer is yes, because at Zeiss, we just created a solution that combines X-ray microscopy with metrology. We use a very small multisphere phantom to verify the accuracy of 3D X-ray microscopes from a comparison of CT dimensional measurements with reference data provided by a National Institute of Metrology. As you can see from the graph on the right, the deviations of the dimensional measurements using data from a Zeiss 3D X-ray microscope are below 1 micron when compared to reference data from tactile CMMs. But accuracy is not the only thing you need to check. We also need to verify repeatability. The graph on the left represents measurements repeated over 30 different scans for the same feature reproduced with 3 different systems. From this data, you can see that the measurements are very repeatable and reproduce well from system to system with small differences between them. In this video, the metrology workflow is presented. The first step creates a distortion map of the detector using a grid array to correct for geometrical distortions in the X-ray images. Then, the multisphere phantom can be placed in between the source and the detector to start collecting radiographic projections, which are used for tomographic reconstruction. The 3D data will be opened by a metrology software developed by Zeiss to make comparisons against nominal geometry and perform scale corrections if necessary. Then, the software measures spheres center-to-center distances and compare the results with reference data. These comparisons will be shown in a graphical report which determines if the accuracy verification for dimensional measurements passes or fails. If data deviations lie below the maximum permissible error, which for Zeiss X-ray Versa microscopes is set to 1.9 micrometers, the system is well calibrated and ready to be used for measuring other samples. Dimensional measurements can then be performed knowing with enough confidence that such measurements will be accurate. There are several examples in which our metrology workflow for 3D X-ray microscopes can be used. For further details, please check out our open poster at the I2MTC website.